As you can see, we got our script, guys, and we got all these amazing options for dead rails, guys. Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got the latest script for Dead Rails game in Roblox, guys. I discovered it recently and I decided to record a new tutorial how you can actually get this, guys. I will record everything step by step and I will show you how you can actually get this. So we'll test it later and I will show you everything how does it work. So guys, you can use it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, and also you can do it with your PC. So go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called blocksforge.com. You'll find it easily and click on browse scripts, click on Dead Rails, and then guys, we will have to enter our Roblox user ID, guys. If you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, go to roblox.com, log into your account and copy your profile URL. So just paste your profile URL here and it will scrape your user ID. So let me show you. So go to your profile. As you can see, that's my profile, guys. Click there, copy this, copy yours, and let's get back to the tool. Click on this button and it will automatically scrape your user ID. So just click continue, guys, and it will start searching for our user account and it should connect this. So as you can see, user found. Nice. It's really important to get, and our user account is connected. It's my name and it's my avatar. So guys, second step is to import Delta Executor to our account in order to use our Dead Rails script. So guys, if you already have your Delta Executor into your Roblox, just click yes. And if you have no, just select no, it's default. So guys, click import Delta Executor, and now it's a really important step to select script for Dead Rails. So guys, select this Forge Hub. It's currently the best script for Dead Rails. So just click continue when you select this, guys, and as you saw, we're band protected, so you don't have to worry about this. Guys, API is connecting, and what I wanted to say, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So yeah, nice. API is connected, guys, and our user account is connected and our activation key is generated. Nice, guys. So we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Dead Rails script with key. So guys, what we'll have to do here, we will simply need to complete two tasks from this list. So guys, complete two tasks from this list by your choice. For my opinion, the best thing you can do is to download TikTok and Domino Dreams. These two, this is app, everyone knows about TikTok, and this is the game. So guys, how you do it, just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS phone, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, that's basically from the official publishers, and you don't have to worry, it's all free and official. So yeah, you can also download any other games or apps, or even you can do complete these simple questionnaires. It's everything up to you, guys. It's really important just to complete these two tasks, and that's it. And it's really important to follow the instructions. So for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Domino Dreams, I will install it, open and complete chapter 5. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these two tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I've just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, TikTok and Domino Dreams, and I got this message: you completed two tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every single second. So let's wait together and let's see and hope that it will. Nice, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. That Rails script is important to your account, guys. Our user ID and our key is connected. So now we will test Roblox and we will see does it actually work. So let's open our Roblox and our Dead Rails. So we will test, are we actually receiving it? So Dead Rails, let's click play. So guys, Let's wait for this loading screen and let's join some game. Nice, we got this Delta Executor, guys, as you can see. Nice. And we got Forge Hub pre-installed as we selected. Nice, guys. So I cannot wait to test it. Does it actually work? So let's join any game here. And let's see, does it actually work? So let me go here like this, right? It's just important to go to any game, guys, so we test this, does it actually work? So yeah, let's wait a little bit so somebody joins or the game starts, and then we will test, does it actually work? Nice, some guy joined me. Hello, Nam Nam, what is up, bro? So let's see, now we will open our Forge Hub script. So guys, let's go here. Let's go execute and let's see, does it actually work? So Forge Hub, nice. Game detected dead rails. So now we will test, does it actually work, guys, this script. As you can see, we got our script, guys, and we got all these amazing options for dead rails, guys. ESP, item ESP, enemy ESP, settings, guys, player, third person, guys, no clip, make you to be able to walk through walls. So let's test it, guys. I have on it, and as you can see, we go through walls and it works amazing. So nice. And we got our ESP and it works perfectly, guys. You can do with your settings whatever you literally want. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.